Did you know that earthquakes can actually improve groundwater flow? Recent studies reveal that seismic activity can clear clogged underground channels, enhancing water movement. This natural phenomenon can lead to cleaner, more accessible water sources, especially in regions prone to drought. The vibrations from an earthquake act like a natural pump, pushing water through the Earth's veins. This unexpected benefit highlights the intricate connections between our planet's movements and our access to vital resources. Understanding these processes can inspire innovative solutions for water scarcity, proving that even the Earth's tremors can have a silver lining.